Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just 5 minutes from Manor Park, you will arrive at this beautifully landscaped 2.5-acre property with unobstructed views of Kingston City and beyond. This spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house sits well appointed on this expansive and charming estate. The primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom accesses a spacious enclosed balcony. Remaining rooms enjoy either ensuite or Jack and Jill bathroom arrangements. This house is close to Constant Spring Golf Club, excellent schools, supermarkets, restaurants, and much more. The land area of this house is approximately 107,148 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 865,000 or Jamaican $133.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.